Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Excited to be here?
Yeah. It's really cold.
Yeah, it's just windy. It's October, about 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice, beautiful scenery. We got the Seine River behind us. So,
There you go.
big picture as well. And any moment now, we got the boat going by. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at that.
Our first drink or coffee here in Paris.
Mm-hmm.
An orange juice. John got a cappuccino and I got plain coffee.
Looks good.
With a little bit, what is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And this is the Notre Dame under construction. From the fire that happened a couple of years ago. I forget exactly how many years ago it was. We can see the cranes and the scaffolding working on it. Today is Saturday, so there's no work going on today. Look at those arches up there. Got the wooden structure. Some of that looks like it's still original. Look at the stonework up there. And the tower at the front, or the back side of the tower. It's the side of the tower, Notre Dame. You can see the external buttresses there. With the wooden supports. And the outside of the stained glass windows there. And here's the front of the Notre Dame. Look at the detail. Look at the detail on those statues there. I'll zoom in even further. Wow, isn't that amazing? Look at that. We're here on the Seine River.
It's cold.
The Ile de Saint-Louis is back there. That's where our Airbnb is at. And this island is where the Notre Dame is at.
Yeah. It's pretty in here. I love it in here.
Having fun so far?
Yeah. Especially the shopping.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I don't know what this building is, but look how ornate that is. Amazing. It says Bienvenue à Paris 2023. And they're getting ready for the Olympics, which is next year. Got the Olympic rings over there.
Yeah, I want in
So we'll go over there and get some pictures in front of the Olympic rings.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah. Picture.
Wow, video.
That's right. The Olympic rings getting ready for the 2024 Olympics. Look at the details on this building though. Look at that. Liberté, égalité, fraternité. Look that way. We're getting our works in for our modeling career here on the Seine River, just downstream from Notre Dame. Here we are in the Seine River. We're on our way walking to the Louvre. And we have police ready for action over here. And I guess there's some sort of protest over there. I'm going to see if I can zoom in. There we go. It's a Palestinian protest over there. I think they're marching this way, so we probably want to go. Okay, let's go. So if you turn left at that intersection there, that's where a bunch of protesters were. And you can see all the line of police on this side as well. Street scene. A lot of people out today. A lot of police out today. There's some protesters. And look, my first glimpse of the Eiffel Tower. Now we are in the Louvre complex. See the pyramid straight ahead. This is pretty amazing though. Look at all this. Quite busy for a Saturday afternoon. I had one person come up to me trying to get me to sign something, but I ran away from her as fast as I can because those are scammers. Wow, look at this. We're now in the Louvre. It's a gloomy day, but that's okay. Taking some nice pictures in front of the pyramid by the Louvre. Selling umbrellas because it's raining just a tiny bit. It's like their umbrella popped inside out over there. Even the outside is beautiful. Look at that little cherub on the left there. That looks like a Lady Liberty at the top there. I suppose it could be. We are in the Metro. Kind of crazy in here, actually. Look at all these people. In the Metro. Look at this. That's just right here in the Metro. So I'm not exactly sure why Annalise was making a big deal about that building right there. Something about it being Louis Vuitton. I don't know what the big significance is with that. Apparently it's important to her. But that is the Louis Vuitton building. And if you look down this way, look what we see. The Arc de Triomphe. Wow, I get to see the Arc de Triomphe up close. I think we might be able to go under the road to go see it. Back in the day, I guess a personal family story. I had a great aunt that served during World War II in the Women's Army Corps. And apparently, after the war was over, she and her troop got to march down the Champs-Élysées. So what do you do when you're a tourist in Paris on a rainy Saturday night? Of course you go stand in the middle of the road taking pictures of the Champs-Élysées. And this is at the base of the Arc de Triomphe. There's some sort of ceremony going on right now. It's very spectacular being at the base of Arc de Triomphe. We saw some old time veterans that were coming down the stairs when we were coming up. Hold up.